Madonna facelifting is a dual-based procedure. One of the components is a laser. It's a kind of CO2. The other is a radiofrequency technique. Patients are the ones who are seeking a treatment without surgery. They are businesswomen or sometimes businessmen. They have some limitations for general anesthesia, or they want to be outpatient without any hospital stay. They want to keep on their social lives without an interruption with the surgical healing time or bruising or swelling. So this laser is developed because of the needs for the patients without interruption of the social lives. So the procedure is done under cream anesthesia. It's a kind of local anesthesia without any injections. The problems are detected first before the procedure. Mostly jawline deformity, nasolabial marionette lines, lower eyelid area, upper eyelid area, and mid-face area are the most common areas which are affected by gravity and by aging. I use the different energies and different shooting maneuvers in the different areas. So one more time after the procedure, the patient can immediately stand up and go back home or travel wherever she or he likes. So today we had a patient. She had a problem mostly around the mouth and lower eyelid area and the jawline deformity. So we applied a different energy to the lower face and mid face, and different energies to the forehead and neck area. Also, she had another big problem, which was located on the décolleté and chest area. Here, one of the problem was deep and wrinkles. The other problem was superficial and dark spots, which are caused by the tanning procedure or sun damage. So she will have two benefits from this procedure. One of it is the lifting effect. The second is the superficial skin spot or white or dark spot corrections.